Why does that make me happy? Well, first of all, I'm in cash, so that's one reason it makes me happy. I want it to fall even further. If I was as rich as Warren Buffett, I probably wouldn't have gone into cash because I would have thought, well, I'm going to get another $1 trillion in dividends and insurance premiums coming in, so I'll hold my positions that I've got and I'll just buy into those same positions when the prices fall, which is actually what he does. Okay, but not being as rich as him and not having $1 trillion due in the next 6 months coming into my bank account like he has, I went into cash to preserve the capital to then buy back cheaper later. So what is that cheaper later? I don't know when the bottom will be, but I'll do weekly updates on it. So why am I excited about all of this? Well, for one thing, I know the Nasdaq's going to go back to making an all-time high at some point. So I'm pretty much guaranteed about another 18% to the upside on that. And when that index rises 18%, some of the individual stocks within it will generate me 36% before 2 times leverage, which can double again to 72% returns. Okay, don't do leverage. You're not big enough. S&P 500, similar kind of thinking with that. So I do like it when prices fall because it means in the good quality companies that I've been holding for the last few years, I can get back in again as we did in 2023 after the 2022 holding cash scenario. So 2023 got back in, made up for 2022, and then 2024 even better. Now, think of it this way. If you get 15% per annum, which is just the S&P, if you just match the S&P, which you can easily do by just tracking the S&P, then your money doubles in 5 years. If by some witchcraft you can manage to improve that, then you might double it in 4 years, maybe even 3. You've got to decide whether it's worth the time, energy, effort, skill, and risk to try and reduce that time from 5 years to lower. Okay, given that the index tracker is doing it in 5 years. Now, if there is a bear market, it'll take 5 years. If there isn't, and you got a tailwind, because you got lucky when you got in 2023 and not 2022, it'll take 3 years. Simple as that. Okay, that's conventionally what's happened. There's no guarantee. The past does not guarantee the future. In other words, the line to the song, the sun will rise tomorrow, it's a lie. We don't know if it will. There is no guarantee. All right? It's the same with the markets. If it's true with the sun, it's the same with the markets. If you want to learn more about investing, have a look at the links in my bio. I've written 18 books published by the Financial Times, amongst others. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links if you want to learn more about investing and to improve your pensions and returns. Thank you.